Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, today I am doing a pile reading, pile 1 and pile 2. Pile 1 is actually I am doing a reading today till when you will get married. That I am doing. You can choose whichever pile you want, and I am going to take out by months for at least 6 months. In which 6 months you will get commitment or not, and another 6 months also. So let's begin with pile 1 first. Friends, if you are new to the channel, then please like and subscribe, and let me see when you will get married, whether you will get commitment this year. Actually, first I am talking about that. See, first I am talking of 8 of cups. If this year whether you will get this commitment or not, that we are looking into. So 8 of cups, moon card, and the 9 of cups. Actually, you are walking away from the separation, whatever separation you have faced from your person, or whatever thing has happened between both of you. You are going above all this. You are moving away from this. You are completely surrendered to the God, and you have completely left everything on the universe. If this union is going to happen, it is going to happen. Else I want to move on in my life. I don't want to stop. You are continuously moving on in your life, means you are not stopping your life, and this is very very good, and that will lead to your 9 of cups. 9 of cups is a card of wish fulfillment, and you can say that 9 of cups is a card of whatever you desire, union with your person or marriage with your person, that you get. That is the kind of 9 of cups. So you are definitely moving away from separation, and you are moving into the union, you can say that. So let us see whether in next 3 months or next 6 months you will get commitment. If not, then whether within 1 year will get commitment or what. See, the first card, if suppose we take it as October, the Queen of Pentacles. And the Queen of Pentacles is a card of grounding. So in October, I don't think so that you will get commitment in October. You will be grounding, your person will be grounding in October. And in November, you can say that the in-out situation will be there between you and your partner. Maybe your person will come and talk little bit of things, but they will try to open up in the November month, you can say that. This I am having a strong possibility that you and your partner both will start talking in the month of November, but it will not be exactly 100% permanent union, but November you will start talking, and your person will break the ice, you can say that. And is a 7 chariot card in December. Majority of the people can get a commitment from a person or assurance from a person in the month of December, either in the month of December or in the month of January, because these both cards are very very positive. Both cards are very very positive. In December and January you can get commitment from your person, because these are very very positive. Both are very very positive cards. So I feel you can get commitment in December or January, or at least assurance from your person that you can get married. Or it is quite possible that your person may all of her come in December and propose you, and all of a sudden you both get married. Either court marriage is also possible. This is also a strong possibility, because the stars are very very bright in January 2022. You can say that January 2022 is the most positive for all of you all, because star card is coming. So yeah, stars are aligning in 2022, January 2022. And 3 of Wands is also card of moving ahead. So in quite possible in February, so you all can go for a honeymoon also. This is also quite possible. After that, in March, I feel that it will be not the okay. It will be a relaxing period for both of you. Both would be relaxing together, enjoying together, something like that. If you don't get in these 2 months, December and January, then that March, till in March you are not going to get it. Mostly in December and January you are going to get a commitment from your person, or you are going to get married in this month. This is strong possibility. If in November your person comes, he or she may come and discuss commitment. This is quite possible. But in December the stars are aligning and you have a very strong chance. So now discuss, let us see the group 2. In group 2, when you will get the commitment, let's see. Pile 2, actually it is pile 2. See, if you are waiting for commitment, whether in this month you will get commitment from your person, then it is very very strong possibility. Because all the three cards are very very positive. It is 19 number card, Sun card is coming. So definitely you are going to get commitment this year. If you are asking that you will get commitment from your person within next 6 months, so yes, you are going to get, because this is also Chariot card. Plus on this the 6-9 number is written. So 6-9 number means your person and you both are aligning together. Both of your masculine and feminine energies are aligning. If you are in the later stages of your inner work, or you have done lot of inner work and you are balanced, then definitely you must be saying number 69 also. And the Sun card and this Tower card is also coming. This Tower is not negative, but this Tower is positive, because the mask of your person will come out and they will move forward towards you and they will tell their true feelings towards you, and you will be shocked completely. All of a sudden your person may appear and they may propose you. This is quite possible. So if you ask me, this group also, whether you will get commitment in next 6 months, there is very strong possibility. Not only next 6 months, I will say that in within this month or within next 3 months you can get commitment from your person. These are such strong positive. If October month card, the October month also you can get the proposal from your person, because the Knight of Cups card is coming. Knight of Cups card is a person opening their heart, telling their true feelings. So it is quite possible that your person within 1 month, your person may come and tell their feelings. The 8 of Wands card is also coming. It is also very positive number card, because your person is coming at a very high speed, you can say. At a very high speed your person will come and approach you and they will start talking to you. This is quite possible. In December, in fact, your both will balance together. It is a card of infinity also. So I am telling you, in this group, the each and every month is very positive, whether it's October, November, December, January, February, March. Every month is very very positive. You can get commitment at any time. You can, your person can approach you at any time, because there's strong possibility. All strong cards. Knight of Cups is a card of proposal also, love proposal, and it is coming very very fast, my friends, very very fast. It can come any time and you both are balanced, because 6-9 number is also coming in your cards. See, 6-9 card is also, and this infinity sign is also telling me that you both are balanced and you both are aligned. Actually, you both have done good inner work, you can say that. So there is strong possibility of both of you coming into union. And this is also card of Ace of Swords, and it will be a truthful communication and truthful union with integrity and everything. You know, Ace of Swords is always a card of truth, and this truth will come out in front of everyone. Or maybe it is quite possible first, fourth, you both, your person may give commitment to you at first. They may not disclose it to the other people or other friends. You both may get married secretly, and then this truth will come out in front of everyone. This is also quite possible. And the Empress card, this person is a Empress card is very very positive, and this is in, it has come into upright position, and this is the back, in this back the Empress is not seen, but in this Temperance is seen, your star is seen. So your stars are brightening and your stars are aligned, you can say. So Empress is a card of pregnancy also. It's quite possible in the month of February, till then you can get pregnant also. This is also quite possible. Or if you are male, you can wish to have a child. You can have child in the month of February. You can get the good news, you can say that. And it's card of Ace of Wands. Again, this card is telling me your person is coming with a passionate offer. Anytime your person can come within this 3 months also, and next 3 months also. Very very positive. Hope friends you like this reading, and please tell me how you like this reading. Thanks for watching.